Hello friends, welcome back to my channel to watch more videos on machine learning. As we have gone through many videos on machine learning such as programs on FAIR library using Python, programs on Deepface library using Python, programs on handshaking tracking using Python, speech recognition using Python, and many more videos on machine learning. Today's video is really enhancement of emotion recognition, facial emotion recognition using webcam using Deepface library. As we are so for that, let us go through the Python file. First two lines are the required libraries which are needed for importing the programs. Third statement, model is equal to deepface.build. It is used for loading the predefined emotion detection model. Then emotion labels: angry, disgust, happy, sad, surprise, neutral. Then next statement, face underscore cascade is equal to cv2.cascade classifier. It is used for loading the face cascade classifier. The next statement, start the webcam and record the video. Then while statement which is true. Then next statement, ret comma frame is equal to cap dot read function. It is used for capturing frame by frame. The next statement, gray underscore frame is equal to cv2.cvt color. It is used for convert frame to gray cell. Yes. The next statement, for loop, it is used for extracting the region of the face. The next statement, resize face is equal to resize. It is used for resize the frame ROI. The next statement, PREDS is equal to model. Then emotion underscore IDX, it is used for predict the emotions. The next statement, cv2.rectangle and cv2.put text, it is for drawing rectangle around the face. Then next statement, show the real emotional detection. Then next statement, press Q to exit from the while loop, and at the last close the webcam and close all window. Now I will execute the program. Yes, neutral. Yes, happy. Yes, happy. Yes, angry. Yes, it's detecting a sad. Fear, neutral. Yes, fear. Yes, fear. Yes, I have successfully done with face emotion recognition using webcam using Deepface library. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.